When it comes to smart home automation, the first thing I look at is smart lighting. These smart switches from OneSwitch are perfect for controlling your lights in and around your home using the free app, Google Home, or Alexa. You can turn the lights on and off, set scheduled timers, and set voice controlling commands for the lights, like, "Hey Google, turn on the lounge lights." You can also get smart infrared plugs that can be used to control appliances that use a remote control, like fans or air conditioners. This is the starter kit, and it comes with a central unit that allows you to connect all your switches and control everything remotely using your mobile phone. And if your internet goes down, you can use a backup 3G dongle. Next are the light switches. These are available in 1, 2, and 3 switch variations, and you can easily replace your existing light switches. These light switches are touch sensitive and can be operated manually or controlled using the app. These switches can be used as dimmer switches and two-way switches. Then you have the sticker switch. These are pretty cool. These wireless switches can be placed anywhere in and around your house and can control your lights and your other plugs. And they're great for young kids, so you don't have to be scared when you're turning off the lights and running into your room. And finally, the infrared plug socket. This plug can be controlled manually or controlled via the app. You can also teach the infrared eye to control devices that use an infrared remote, like your TV, an aircon, or a fan. So on those hot days, you can even turn on your aircon before you get home. And remember, you can buy additional switches and plugs and add to the kit covering all of your needs. This is a great smart home kit that will not only make your life more convenient, but also adds a degree of security with light automation. This is just one of the smart home kits available at Builders. For more, visit in store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.